So we're going to do a little video on flaring copper here. Just make sure your end is nice and round. This one needs to be cut off if you're going to flare that. This one's been cut off, and let's show them the reamer. We just reamed it. We're going to do it again here quick. You just want to make sure that's after you cut your tubing with your pipe cutter, that you ream out the inside of it so you get a nice flare. And you want to put your flare nut on there, your forged flare nut. And when you're doing that reaming, make sure your tube is tipped down so you're not getting all those shavings into the pipe. And then when you set it up on your flaring tool, you want to make sure it's sticking through about 1/16 of an inch. That's not quite enough, just a little bit more there. Yep, and if you go too far, it'll be too much, and the nut won't go on. And this needs to be opened up a little more and centered on the pipe. Oh, you're not centered on the pipe.
No. Right there?
No. See this? It needs to be lined up with that.
Yeah, you're right, there we go. Okay, now we're lined up. Okay. And then
Okay, now go ahead. This particular one's got a clutch on it, so we're going to go until it clicks and then once around. And we should have a perfect flare. And then back her off. And that's what a perfect flare looks like. Does that nut fit over it? Yeah, perfect. And then obviously you just need a flare fitting to put that on and you're in business.